Hello everyone, welcome to Make Gaming Easy. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to buy bundles on Cooking Craze. So without any further ado, let's get started. First of all, click on the cart icon in the right hand side of your screen. On this page, you can see certain amount of money in certain type of bundle. Now all you have to do is what kind of bundle you wanna buy. Let's say I wanna buy beginner's bundle, then I'll have to tap on beginner's bundle option. Then a pop-up menu will appear where you'll have to click on add credit or debit card option. Then all you have to do is enter your card details and enter the amount of money you'll have to pay. After that, you'll have to check out and your account will be added with beginner's bundle. So that is how you can buy bundle on Cooking Craze. Thank you for watching Make Gaming Easy. I hope this video was helpful to you. If it was, hit the like button and comment down if you have any questions or feedback. Also, if you are new to our channel, subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you don't miss our upcoming videos.